today's video we're going to be building our shop.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a super special episode video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a super special video planned. As y'all might have guessed it, we are building a new shop on our new land in Cleveland, Tennessee. Take a look around. Y'all saw the clips of the people working on it. Y'all see that we got the frame going. Now we're just going to be screwing on these metal sheet panels. But yeah, it's a pretty big shop. We got the concrete poured. We got like 2,000 square foot of concrete poured. Y'all can see the 3 garage doors that are gonna be here. A little mini door over here. So what we're planning on doing is trying to make this side right here kind of like a little office. We're gonna have a bathroom over here, and then we're gonna build a wall inside the shop. So have this kind of like being the office area, build a wall, and then these 3 garage doors, we're gonna put the lift right here on this middle one, and then on this right one right here, put a frame machine. And then this is the cool part, actually. This last garage door right here, we're gonna build kind of like a paint booth. So we're gonna have like a whole wall going down here, and kind of dedicate the spot just for the painting. Have a whole bunch of lights going on everywhere, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So super excited for these big plans. Obviously, we got 5 acres of land right here. We're gonna build our house up on that hill back there. So we're gonna have the house up there, have the shop down here. Currently staying here for like another few days because we had a wedding we actually went to. Throw some clips of the wedding.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Where's my hat?
Nice.
Me and Ella actually were the videographers of the wedding.
Now I'm a videographer again.
Now she's videoing my YouTube channel, but hey, yeah, our wedding was very amazing and blessed. Had a great time, and yes, now we're just getting stuff done on the land. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
We'll
See,
you
it's
guys.
hard.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
All the walls are put up now. Yeah, that's what I thought. Bathroom. Pretty cool. What? So what's the plan? What are we doing?
Window number 3, window number 2, window number 1. We're gonna build frame, office.
Where's the frame machine?
No, here's gonna be a frame for office.
How about the frame
Frame
machine?
machine is gonna be where we're located. Lift. Where you're located. It's enough for lift.
How tall is it?
Like 14 feet.
Massive.
Boot right here.
Yo, say hi to my channel. You haven't even been on it yet.
Hi.
Okay, smile.
I have pimples.
What is going on, you guys? It is currently the next morning. We are here at Love's, and we are on our way to Kentucky to pick up a frame for the Jeep that we are rebuilding. And I'm going back to sleep. Just fueled up. Ran into a little problem. We ran out of power steering fluid, so gonna go pick that up at good old Love's. but we got about a 3-hour drive ahead of us. Get this frame loaded in the back of our bed. Head back to Tennessee. Now the shop should be done once we're back. They finished everything but the 3 garage doors, installing the doors and the windows. So by the time we're back, it should be like around 12 o'clock. So they should be done. It's around like 5:30 right now, so I'm exhausted. I'm going back to sleep. Peace.
Your destination is on the right.
So we've just made it to the junkyard. We're in Kentucky. We got this little shack in here. It's like a little office. It's tiny in there. So my dad's in there, but I decided to stay out here. It's legit so small.
What's that? Huh? I didn't know it's straight on until I got straight on.
Frame for the Jeep. Did you see it came with the exhaust with muffler? It came with the muffler.
Yeah.
So we just strapped up the frame to the bed of our truck, and we're gonna be also picking up the 2 airbags that were blown. Yeah, that's the frame, no? All right, guys, we just got loaded up, heading back to Tennessee. So what we picked up was the frame, picked up the core support, radiators, picked up the 2 airbags, picked up, what is it called, sway bar? Yeah. Picked up the sway bar in the back. Y'all can see the frame back there. But yeah, we're heading back to our shop. Should be done once we're back. So we'll see you guys there. Peace. What is going on, guys, and welcome to the Savage Shop. So we just made it back from Kentucky, and once we made it back, the guys have finished up installing these 3 big garage doors. Really awesome. They finished these 3 windows up here as well. So like I said before, we're planning on having the frame machine up on this first one. It's gonna be really nice. Have the lift right here in this middle one. We're trying to build a nice little wall right here on this 3rd one. So we're gonna do the paint booth right here. We're gonna paint our cars, have nice ventilation going. We're gonna have the electricians come here, get some power in this shop. And then we're gonna have this side, like I said, build a wall, have a nice window going across the wall, and have this as the nice little office area. So pretty much we came back from Kentucky. picked out most of the parts that we need from the Jeep. So stay tuned for that video. And that's pretty much it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, it's not too close? He's crazy.
What is going on, guys? What's the rest of it?
Can barely reach.